Abdul Kalam, born on 15th October 1931 at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabudin Abdul Kalam graduated in science from St. Joseph's College, Trichy in 1954 and specialized in aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology in 1957. Dr. Kalam made a significant contribution as project director to develop India's first indigenous satellite launch vehicle, which successfully injected the Rohini satellite in the near Earth orbit in July 1980 and made India an exclusive member of Space Club. He was responsible for the evolution of ISRO's launch vehicle program, particularly the PSLV configuration. After working for 2 decades in ISRO and mastering launch vehicle technologies, Dr. Kalam took up the responsibility of developing indigenous guided missiles at Defense Research and Development Organization as the Chief Executive of Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. He was responsible for the development and operationalization of Agni and Prithvi missiles and for building indigenous capability in critical technologies through networking of multiple institutions. As chairman of Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council and as an eminent scientist, he led the country with the help of 500 experts to arrive at Technology Vision 2020, giving a roadmap for transforming India from the present developing status to a developed nation. Dr. Kalam has served as the principal significant advisor to the Government of India in the rank of Cabinet Minister from November 1999 to November 2001 and was responsible for evolving policies, strategies and mission for many development applications. Dr. Kalam was also the chairman ex officio of the Scientific Advisory Committee to the Cabinet and piloted India Millennium Mission 2020. Dr. Kalam took up academic pursuits as Professor, Technology and Societal Transformation at Anna University, Chennai from November 2001 and was involved in teaching and research tasks. Above all, he took up a mission to ignite the young minds for national development by meeting school students across the country. During the last decades, Dr. Kalam has addressed over 5 million youth below the age of 17 and inspired them to become an active participant of India Vision 2020. In his literary pursuit, Dr. Kalam authored a number of books such as Wings of Fire, India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium, and Ignite Minds Unleashing the Power Within India, Indomitable Spirit, Guiding Souls, Envisioning an Empowering Nation, Inspired Thoughts, Children Ask Kalam, You Are Born to Blossom, Family and the Nation, Life Tree, and Luminous Sparks, a collection of his poems. These books have been translated into many Indian and foreign languages. He has been awarded 2 coveted civilian awards, Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and the highest civilian award Bharat Ratna in the year 1997. Dr. Kalam became the 11th President of India on 25th July 2002. After 5 eventful years, he demitted office on 25th July 2007. He focused on transforming India into a developed nation by 2020. His essence was on constructive networking and excellent human resources for an economically developed, prosperous and peaceful society.